Hi everybody, this is Adam. He's in first grade and he's going to show you how to extract DNA. He doesn't know how to do it, so I'm going to just go along and tell him the directions. Okay, Adam has all the supplies there. Can you point as I say what it is? Okay, we've got water, strawberries, or you could use bananas, coffee filter, rubbing alcohol. Now, note on the rubbing alcohol, the higher the concentration, the better this experiment will work. So this is 91% rubbing alcohol. Sometimes they're 70%, so look for higher concentration. Dish soap, salt, a measuring spoon for the salt, a plastic bag, a rubber band if it might helpful, and then 2 glasses. Okay, so Adam, we are going to extract DNA from the strawberries. What's DNA?
It's something that makes it who you are and who you're related to.
Yeah, and do people come out different because of their DNA?
They can.
Yeah, that's called variation. Okay? And so we're going to pull out the DNA so we can learn a little bit about variation. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, Adam, is grab one of the glasses. Good job. And you're going to take the water. Let me move this. Can you move the alcohol and the dish soap so they can see? There we go. And you're going to pour so that there's about this much.
So does that mean all of it?
No. Little more. Perfect. Then you can put the water aside. We're actually done with it. Then you're going to take the dish soap and put in 1 squirt. Okay, that's good. That's plenty. Then you're going to take 1 scoop of salt. That's plenty. That's good. And then using the other side of that spoon, mix it all together. Or you can use that side, whatever. Good job. Now put that spoon to the side and get the plastic bag and 2 strawberries. You could use 1 strawberry or half a banana. It just is, the more fruit you have, the more DNA you potentially can have. Yep, stick them in there, then seal the bag. And squish those strawberries. Squish them good, real good. Good job. Okay, squish them a little more. We want strawberry juice if we can. Good. Okay, then pour those strawberries into your water mixture. Pour everything in.
Wow, this is gonna be weird.
And if you could squish them more, you might have a little bit better results, but that's pretty good. Then you're going to take your other cup, get that rubber band, and get the coffee filter. Just 1, you have 2 there. And stick the coffee filter on top and then put the rubber band so it makes kind of like a drum. Other cup. Is that hard to do? You need two people to help?
Maybe. Yeah, this is hard.
Yeah. Oh, you're getting it. Close. That's fine. So what we're going to do next is we're going to filter the strawberry mixture.
What does that mean?
So I'm going to just squish these a little bit more.
Oh, so I was gonna put that in.
At the end. So you're going to slowly pour this into there and it's going to slowly drip down, okay? Slowly. Wait, it needs time to drip. So it's filtering it through right now.
It's barely going through.
Yeah, it'll barely go through.
just doing tiny drops.
Yeah, that's okay. And you can kind of stir it around on top, just gently with your finger or with that spoon if you want.
So is this juice the DNA?
So the DNA is in all of the cells of the strawberry. So we're kind of what the salt and the soap did is it's breaking up the cells a little bit. And we're just filtering out any chunky parts so we can see the DNA. But we have to add the alcohol to be able to see the DNA.
Really going in.
It's barely going
That's
in.
enough.
Let's do a little more. Can you wiggle your finger on top to see if there's some chunky parts that maybe are in the way? Yeah, stick your finger in there and kind of wiggle around. There you go. Get some of those chunky parts out.
Not really. That was going through faster.
Okay.
You need all of this in there.
No, we can, the more you have, the more you might be able to see. Okay, so now you can take it off. You students might want to let it drain a little bit longer so that you can see more, but because we're trying to keep this video short. So Adam, what you're gonna do is you're very carefully gonna lift that coffee filter off of the cup so that it doesn't spill in. The stuff on top doesn't spill in. Very good, and you can put it in the other cup. Very good, keep it like that. No, don't put it in.
Sorry.
It's okay. There you go, put it in the other cup. Okay, then I want you to bring the cup that we filtered and the alcohol close to the camera. Come sit in this chair over here. Thank you. So now you're gonna pour in about as much alcohol as there is juice in there. So slowly, slowly pour it in and then don't stir it. Okay, that's enough. And you're gonna see two layers forming in there. You'll see a cloudy layer on top that becomes kind of clear.
I think we need more.
Okay, you can put a little more in. A cloudy layer on top that becomes kind of clear, and then kind of the juice layer. That's plenty on the bottom. And within that cloudy layer, you're gonna see something that looks like snot or streams, and that is actually the DNA coming out. Do you
Bubbles. I see bubbles.
You see bubbles? Oh yeah, see all of that cloudiness?
Yeah.
That's the DNA, and you can actually grab it with your finger. See how it came up on my finger? Can you go turn off that timer? All right, so let's see if we can get
That smells bad.
he smells the alcohol. So you see the two layers, and then on top, which I don't know if I can get it here, you can actually see that slime, and that is the DNA that's coming out. So that is, see right there? Oh, Adam, move. That's the DNA right there
Wow.
that we got to come out.
That's weird.
That is weird, isn't it?
How is it sticking to your finger?
It's sticky. You want to touch it? All right, so you guys all need to do this too.